Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy from Alibaba. As you all know, Alibaba is a wholesale online store where you can buy things in bulk and ship them to your destination, and then you can resell them for profit. So Alibaba has a lot of manufacturers uh, and production company, and when you want to buy anything, it's the one of the most used online e-commerce store to buy items, and for those in China to sell their products to the rest of the world. So what I do is normally you need to have a chat with as many suppliers as you want. So like for me, I talk to many suppliers because there are things that you need to iron out before you can actually make a purchase with your with what you're looking for. Like when you're looking to buy for anything on Alibaba, so you have to chat with the supplier, talk about the shipment and all that thing. So I will show you the one I want to buy, which is this. And let me just take you from the beginning how I started. So I liked this headsets, and then we talked hello dear, and just like a normal course when you're talking to the supplier. And she sent me some samples of the same headsets because I'm looking to buy for some headsets. And then we talked about it, and then so always they'll ask you for your shipping agent, of which I sent to them. This is my shipping agent. I am using Fry Cargo. So this is the agent that will send the item from China to here in Zambia. And then if you're in other countries, they also give you their address for all those countries. So this is I wanted 20 piece each, and then the price came to this amount. So we discussed. She told me that that $0.35 per piece, of which I wanted. So I asked her, how many models do you have? She told me five mod available, and then I said, give me 10 each. Okay. Then she sent me this payment uh, payment. So this link is for paying on Alibaba. So they will always send you a link for you to go and now pay. So she sent for 50 pieces each, and then the amount was coming to $23.18 for 50 pieces. So I wanted 50 pieces of these headsets. So I told her to give me a discount here. So a discount, she said, it's now here it's now $20, of which I'm satisfied for 50 pieces of this kind of headsets. And then she sent me this payment link that I will have now to pay with. So I will now go to checkout. So I'll press on pay, make payment. Yeah, so I will have to use any of these. Here you can use PayPal, you can use your credit or debit card, you can use a Google Pay, Visa card, or you can wire transfer. Yeah, so here I'm going to use this one here. I press continue. I'm going to add my card here, and then as you can see here, you have this is the address that I'm going to use. It's already added here. Yeah, so if I'm satisfied here, I will add my card number here, and then my names should be these ones on the card, and then expiry date, and then the security card from back of the card here. And then so see this CVV, and then I will click on pay now. So let me add this, and then I will come back to make payment. I will pause the video now. Okay, so I have added my card. Let me now click on pay now and see if at all it will go through. So this is the process you will use to buy on Alibaba. It's very easy and straightforward. Otherwise you have to chat with your supplier to make sure that everything is okay. So as you can see here, payment result here is successful. Your payment of 20.6 has been processed, and right now, and I've received a message from my bank. So yeah, so let me now view the order. So the payment, it's now ready for dispatch. So I was told that I will receive, the item will be sent by tomorrow, meaning because for them it's night, so by my night, so it will be shipped and delivered. So right now I just have to wait. So the other important thing you need to pay much attention to is you need to pay through Alibaba so that you can have your money protection guarantee. So like here I can easily apply for a refund. So here is a notification from Alibaba. The supplier has received your initial payment and all that. Okay, so your money is protected by Alibaba, sorry. So it means when you are buying, you are protected. You can easily apply for a refund, and your money will be sent back to you. So this is what I was this is what I wanted to show you today. Very easy and straightforward. And yeah, so before that, you should check my other videos. I've talked about how to find a good supplier for your items, because you can also be scammed here. So it means you have to check if your supplier is first of all verified. Secondly, he has to have they have to have money, what's that, they need to have trade assurance, meaning your money is protected, and you check like how many years they have been in business. So check the company profile, and then you can make your choice if you want to buy now. So thank you very much for joining me. See you in my next video. Subscribe, like, and share. Join the WhatsApp group. The link is in the description below. It's bye bye for now.